NASA's Artemis program successfully lands a new rover on the moon. Sudan's military and rebel forces agree to a historic peace deal in Juba. Sweden to become first nation to achieve net zero emissions by 2025. France and Germany reach agreement on EU military cooperation and joint defense initiative. India's first female fighter pilot completes historic combat mission. Nigeria launches national digital currency as part of economic reform plans. World's largest green hydrogen plant opens in the Middle East, promising clean energy future. PM Modi launches next-generation GST reforms, simplifying slabs and reducing rates on essentials. India becomes first country with 2 polymetallic sulfide exploration contracts under ESA's regime. Major maritime and infrastructure projects worth 34,200 crore rupees launched in Gujarat under Samudra Se Samriddhi by PM Modi. Mars buckwheat flour food poisoning in NW Delhi, ~200 fall ill during Navratri fasting period. Union Minister Khattar launches the Swachhta Hi Seva Ek Din, Ek Ghanta cleanliness campaign in Chandigarh. The Indian Air Force formally retires its iconic MiG-21 jets after 6 decades of service, marking the end of a historic chapter. Violent protests in Leh, Ladakh have prompted a curfew and closure of all schools and colleges for 2 days. India and Australia have signed a mutual recognition arrangement, MRA, for organic products to simplify certification and boost trade. NIPLA, NPCI International Payments Limited, and QNB have rolled out UPI payments for Indian travelers in Qatar, allowing UPI-based merchant payments. China announced a target to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by up to 10% over the next decade and double its wind and solar capacity, signaling renewed climate ambitions. PM Modi will unveil BSNL's indigenous 4G stack, marking a step toward telecom self-reliance. A new Amrit Bharat Express will be flagged off, linking Odisha and Gujarat directly via Chhattisgarh, improving east-west rail connectivity. The UAE is gearing up to host World Tourism Day 2025, highlighting record tourist arrivals and infrastructure growth. India extends ban on NSCN-K for 5 more years, citing threats to sovereignty. The RSS plans to unveil a new Sangeet collection, recomposed by Shankar Mahadevan, ahead of its centenary year. Green Fit Marathon Season 2 to be held in Jaipur, promoting heart health and environmental awareness. India is also set to host the 11th Asian Aquatics Championships from 28 September to 10 October in Ahmedabad. Subscribe the channel.